Hey guys, welcome back. I have something new for you today. So as I was scrolling through I think it was my Facebook feed, I saw a little pop-up. Makeup Geek was doing purple mystery boxes for 20 bucks. So I thought, Makeup Geek for 20 bucks. And purple? You know your girl loves some purple. Let's do this. So I ordered it and it came in this big giant box. So I thought, holy shit, what did I get for 20 bucks? I think they said that this was supposed to be valued at over $50. Okay, that's a good value. This was inside it, if you didn't catch that by what I just did there. This tiny box was inside it. Super nice box. We're gonna get rid of the big one that's kind of just taking up space. So I don't know what's in here yet, but that box was held to get open. So here we are. After we get it open, let's figure out what Makeup Geek sent us. That is purple. Alright, so inside of our box is this, and this is exactly how it was packaged. So not much for packaging in there. I mean, everything was just kind of counted on to keep itself safe and travel nicely. Let's see how it did. The first thing I see is an iconic Makeup Geek lipstick. Boom. In the shade Savvy. I don't own, to be quite honest, I don't own any Makeup Geek stuff. I suck at shopping online. Well, I don't suck at shopping online. I suck at makeup online. Makeup and clothes. They're not my thing because I'm a touchy person and I am an instant gratification person. So I want it and I want it now. So I'm super excited that Makeup Geek is now going to be in Target so I can get it on super soon. Anyways, let's move along to this. So this is, yeah, it's a tube lipstick. Super nice packaging. Actually, a super fan of this. This reminds me of some of my Morphe brushes. I think I have, here they are. What is this? Are we gonna have a Morphe collab soon? Probably not, but anyways, here's the color, which is a deep mauve purple. Looks to be a cream. It is a cream formula, like a matte cream. There's our color. Very nice. I like it. Looks like you got a decent amount of product in there. It smells like absolutely nothing. I'm a fan. This is probably more of a fall color, so you might see this come fall. Moving on. Okay, we got Showstopper Makeup Geek Cream Satin. In the shade Grapevine. I don't know what this is. Cream Satin. Is that a liquid? Holy shit, purple. That's what they should have called it. Holy shit, purple instead of grapevine. We have a pretty standard doe foot. I'm not one that is picky with my doe foots. I mean, as long as they're there. It smells kind of creamy. A light, maybe vanilla scent. So this one is just a bit more on the cool side. Well, I don't know. I feel like all purples are cool, but this one has a bit more pink in it. You can tell the difference. And that, what is that? Showstopper Cream Satin. I don't know if this dries down or not. We'll see. I'll leave it on my hand and we'll see what it does. I'll let you know at the end of this video. And then in the bottom of this box, there's nothing else. This is a nice little box though. Probably gonna keep this little box. There's some extra brushes in it or something. I don't know. It's a decent box. Okay, so we have 4. I think they're eyeshadows. Okay, they are. They are all eyeshadows, so that's cool. We got a duochrome eyeshadow pan in the shade Black Light. So it is a light violet periwinkle. And it's got some blue reflex in there. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. Then we have a pressed eyeshadow pan in shade Taboo. And that is just a very dark, deep violet. It looks almost black, so it's very deep. Then we've got a good mid-tone here. It's called Vintage, and it looks to be like a brown based purple. Looks like a good like transition or crease color. It's really good there. And then the last one is a foiled eyeshadow pan. Holy moly, guys. And that one is in shade Hype. I'm excited to see this one. Like I said, I've never really played with Makeup Geek shadows or makeup before, so this is a pretty decent pan size, and this will go right in my Z palette. We're gonna, oh my gosh, guys, it's so soft. If y'all already know, I'm sorry, but I'm a virgin. Ooh. I like, it's a little bit crumbly, but it blends out nicely. So you might want to wet your brush with this one, but I like it. Like, wow. I like it. That's great. Well, since we did that, let's go ahead and just swatch the others as well. So here is Vintage, that mid shade brown, mid-level brown based shade. I don't know what I'm talking about. This seems to be a little harder pressed than the shimmer, which is normal, and it's a lot less pigmented. It's kind of patchy, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be patchy on the eye, just that it just doesn't swatch well. A lot of shadows are that way, and I mean, we all know this. Some shadows that swatch well don't apply well, and some that apply well just don't swatch well. So we're just going to have to play with that and see, you know, honestly what happens with it. But I like the color. It has potential. Now here is that deep, deep purple shade. I do have some fallout on it already. This is Taboo. Kind of like my name. Taboo. Ooh, guys. That's almost black. Ooh, I bet you could do a smoky eye with this. Like, I mean, that just like, again, it doesn't swatch the best. It swatches a little patchy, but girl, that's like almost black. Woo. Woo. I need to go on a date, so I got a reason to wear smoky eye like that. All right, let's try the last one before we call it quits for the night. And this is the duochrome shade in Black Light. Let's take another look at that. Some of these actually got a little broken around the edges, and I don't know if that's shipping or just because of the way they're pressed and single. Oh, girl, do you see that? Toddy, where you at? Because this is your kind of purple shadow, girl. I'm in love. That is like, and it shifts between a periwinkle and a baby blue. Whew. This is going on my eyes tomorrow. Do you see this? Oh, love it. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see that as an inner corner highlight. Oh my God. Anyways, Makeup Geek, thank you for doing this. This is amazing. $20 purple mystery box. Absolutely great. I think I had to pay like $3.99 for shipping or whatever, because it was the only thing I ordered, and I think they offer free shipping if you order more than like $35 worth of stuff. Could be wrong, so don't quote me on that, but I think so. I'll go ahead and link Makeup Geek below in the description box. Go check it out. I cannot wait. And let's check this lipstick. Oh yeah, lipstick dried down, completely matte right here. It's a tad bit tacky, but not bad. Doesn't really transfer too much. I mean, I've been swatching with this finger, but I can tell you that it didn't really transfer too much. Yo, girl, so excited about this shade. Ah. Anyways, thanks for watching. You know what to do next. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I really need you. I'm really trying to get up to about 1,500 subscribers before the end of the year. So if y'all could help me get there, that would be great. Until next time, bye.